So, people, welcome. Hopefully the mic isn't delayed. So, 1, 2, 3. If it's delayed, I'll hopefully know in editing. So, welcome to Lab Monkey. Now, see that guy? That's Himpa, aka Hogo the Logo.
No,
Hogo the Logo. Hogo the Logo. Logo the Pogo. Logo the Pogo. And then we got, Timmy, who's somehow venturing out from Yeeps and is now playing. He's definitely his free will here.
Nuh-uh. Hey,
We're gonna talk about that again.
Go with
Look at me now! Are you gonna ever speak about not having free will again?
No.
Be quiet about that. Be quiet! Timmy, come back here! Alright, back to the main attraction, I'd say. So, there's some maps in this game because this game is a VR scary game. Now, personally, I've played some scary games. I've played Poppy Playtime Free Mobile. I've played Amanda the Adventure Free Mobile Edition. I've played some very horrifying games. But the reason why this game is special is apparently it's scarier. Like, I've played some Animal Company. I've played, not played some NoClip, but I'm just gonna say I've played NoClip. I've played some very scary VR games. Hopefully, this one meets up to the scary amount as greatness of NoClip VR, which I still haven't played. Alright, come on, Logo the Pogo.
I'm not Timpa anymore. I rebranded.
Alright, chat. Should we go to the school or the school?
I don't know about you, but I think we should go to the circus.
That's not the school.
I don't know about you, but I think we should go to the bunker.
We're going to the school. We are going to the school.
Oh man, I don't want to go to school. What's gonna happen to me?
Where's my little? Come on, Timmy. We're going to the school. We're going to school, Timmy.
Get in here, Flo. Come back here.
Timmy, I'm not gonna add you into the description or the title if you don't come here now.
Timmy,
how did you
trust? Timmy, trust me. You only have to be in one more video, and then I can give you your nickel for the week.
All right, let's go to the school, boys.
Go.
Now, personally, me, Timmy, and Logo all actually go to the same school. And just in case that lag spike just ruined my mic sync to the video, I'm gonna count again. 1, 2, 3. All right, perfect.
My God.
This has some nice ambience.
Bro, my headset is vibrating.
So I'm probably gonna cut off the music for this part in the beginning because I just want to show you the
Behind you!
It's all listen.
The frick is that freaking Miku looking at?
R.I.P. Logo.
Yeah?
Died to Melissa. Died to the popular girl.
Why is it singing? Come on! We need to get the fire alarm! I think it's your Wi-Fi! Go the fire alarm!
He died for the 9th time. Punch my table.
Come on, Miku!
We're gonna add a table punch count, and just in case my lag spike ruined my mic. 1, 2, 3. Why do you keep bringing her to us? Just you have to run up and press a button, Logo. Is it that hard?
But it is hard. I'm
putting so many rhyme games after you saying it is hard. It's fine that I died. You wanna know why? Because I already pressed the button.
Bro, Miku's the least scariest enemy in the whole game.
Scream of terror.
Why'd you have the COVID mask on? It's past the... Why'd she
Fire
scream?
Bro, she turns into a purple
Let's go
beast.
to my Epic Gaming computer.
But guys, did you know that I'm gonna show it on screen. Did you actually know that that you saw the jump scare? I'll do a quick replay of the jump scare thing. That jump scare is exactly what Logo looks like in real life. Confirmed.
Shut up.
Logo
Guys,
face
I
reveal
love
before
that burrito
2026. Bars. I love
Bro, Miku is the most annoying enemy, not even scary.
That's a playlist ad right there.
Hey, buddy.
Guys, we
Where'd
have
she
to
go?
go to the second. We have to go down. We're on the 3rd floor right now. We gotta go down.
Get up here.
I forgot I suck at girl tag.
Watch this.
Come here. Stop singing, you little child.
You can get me.
That's literally what he's saying. It's Miku. It's a Miku.
How did you see the closet?
How'd you buy
wait.
it?
Please.
I'm back.
How are we going down? Get out of my body. How are we going down, boys? I see stairs leading down in that general direction.
We're singing in reverse. I didn't realize that.
Wow.
Oh, just reverse that, please. Hey, editing Finale, can you? Hey,
Do you want me to reverse it? What is your plan? Wait, so sing again. What is that one? She was wait. I'm gonna do an instant replay. She was floating here. You flat out went like, dude. Oh, look at him. He's stuck to the game. I'm gonna have to blow it later, which is kind of sad, but more editing.
guys.
Yameni Mashoya Aki.
There's the most delayed throw. No, he's just coming up. I need a logo death count.
Help me! I'm stuck! Help me!
I'm putting the logo death count on screen right now. And if I don't remember what it is, I'm just gonna put, I don't know. Bro, this is low-key like school in real life.
It is so.
Bro, what is that?
This is us. After he
It's the
stole her
opposite way around, though.
The lipstick.
It's the opposite. There's a bunch of men chasing you.
Idiot. Right, where are we going now? Yeah, we're keeping the viewers.
Absolutely.
My own reaction to information.
You and me, wow, fireworks.
To entertain them. That's our job. As influencers on the internet. Yes.
You just got
You died for the third time. I totally didn't die for like
You died for like, put it on screen right here how many times Logan's died. Bro, why does this bend like that? Why does this bend like that? Why did the plan just end? How did you
I'm fine. I'm just playing a horror game. Nothing wrong about that.
You act like it's a cry.
Bro, what is his plan?
I'm about to tip.
If I die again, maybe it will be different this time.
Frick you. I don't like you. I
You died anyways.
Yeah, actually, I don't have a plan. I'm just doing random crap. Okay, everything's gonna respawn.
Logo, do you want the employee of the month of this video? Of my monthly long
Red,
form?
hey, infinitely. Let's go save Timmy. He's probably dying out there. Let's go. He already died.
No.
Remember, he escaped.
I think she's there. Why did she like levitate like that?
You idiot!
You can't be talking. You're the one who's he's running for his life. Come on, let's go downstairs.
Hello!
Hey.
It's funny because it's completely non-scary.
Yeah, it's like barely that scary at all.
I'm a dribble.
This is my childhood trauma.
Dribble, shoot!
No, stop!
Ryan dunked on her.
Yeah.
Threw my controller.
I'm sorry.
Throw your kidneys. Oh.
Yum. Oh, fuck, Gangnam Style. Did you guys think my group of Gangnam Style?
What did I do? I
Bro,
didn't
it hates
move.
me. It hates me.
Oh, the Gangnam Style. Oh.
Okay.
Timmy is the monster.
Dude, we're stalling the viewers. We have to entertain.
Hey, did you know what editing is? I can just cut it out.
Editing. Come on, you go downstairs. Let me go that way. No. Okay, never mind. I died again. Two fucking black.
Wait for her to dip in that building. She's right behind you. Get away from me.
Why is this money this many years?
Why is this so better? Guys, I have a plan. If I'm still out, she won't be able to find me. Why did it work?
What?
Hey, third time's the charm, you know?
Oh, yeah. 20. Oh, God.
I made it as far as possible, which is pretty skibbity.
Guys, let's go down the stairs. You dumbo.
Juke. Go downstairs while Logan
Look at
gets
my
back to
plan.
vehicles. Come on! Where are you?
Get up! Get on the locker! We're downstairs. Get on the locker! He's dead.
Oh no, I'm cornered.
This is what college is like, bro.
Average.
What do you mean?
Guys.
Logo, can you be our like little puppet and then you just like run and distract her?
She's
and we
only
can just
going
go?
after him.
Go screeching. The logo death count is increasing by the second.
Can you get someone in this room?
There a second one?
No.
It's just her.
Yes.
The
So much
entire.
easier in public lobby to do this.
Hey, but we're YouTubers.
right now.
We need harder content.
Timmy,
Why do you run like that?
Timmy, you're not gonna get your grain of the month if you don't. Right now.
You're not gonna get the grade of money if you don't run and go distract her.
No, I meant like the little grain of wheat.
Meow, 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 meow.
The monsters of wit.
I'll bleep that out, don't worry.
Monsters of literally camping, bro. Damn, this kid. Wanted to dress pussy and damn near some customs, little bro.
If I ever see this girl in chat again, I'm kicking her.
Where's the logo?
I'm downstairs.
Go on a locker.
Die like 40 times. I feel bad for the viewer. I'm just probably gonna have to edit all of this out. I'm out of my monthly captions, so I either have to make a new CapCut account, or I have to just do all the captions by myself, which is low-key better. Or I could
like
just do no captions.
I'm probably gonna do like 3 videos every month, so I get my yearly or monthly captions, and then I'll make like 3 shorts, 3 videos and 3 shorts a month.
Where
You're gonna
are
get
you?
your yearly grade of something.
I don't know.
Look at that again.
What
Right, shit.
is that?
There's no more small faces or something in there.
Have you ever heard of it?
When did it?
He's trying to get him murdered.
Imagine almost dying.
Come on. Imagine dying.
Lola's dead again.
And
I'm scared again.
Feel like the Empire State Building.
Where'd you go?
I'm on the locker, boy.
Tell me back to the spawn.
Hey,
So it's dumb me
bro,
doing
can this woman just
camping
shut up?
me. Like my bag.
I'm gonna jump on her.
I'm tweaking
That's
out.
why.
Tag!
Hey, Red. Yeah, you're back with me.
I wanna play tag, no tag backs with her.
Tag, you're red hidden.
Tag! Hey,
I'm
hey,
genuinely
tag.
tweaking right now.
Tag! Tag!
Your type
Tag.
of- What is that? Ooh.
Hi!
Hi.
Logan's probably seen this, I see your corpse, but
You
I
can
also see
record
you
my
dancing
agony
around.
every time I respawn. Let's go.
Meow, meow, meow.
There's no camera there.
Meow, meow,
Yeah, there is.
meow.
Yeah, there is.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow,
There is.
meow,
I see it.
meow.
There is. Actually,
When a duck walked up to a lemonade stand,
Ooh,
and he
fuck
said
off.
to the man, run in the stand.
Gollum star.
Hey, bump, bump, bump. Got any
Go.
grapes?
That's a team.
Go.
The man says yes.
Hey guys, I'm back again. Let's freaking he's camping.
Can't wait to meet you. So join the animatronic family. We open I'm gonna do a heart. How do I do a heart?
If you do a heart, you're not getting your weekly grade of sand. I love my fans. But I love my fans more than my own family. Just kidding.
Your fans
Joke.
of
Oh come on!
Sup, hidden fam? Welcome to a new fire video. I'm gonna start saying that.
Hello.
Let's go, I'm alive. Tag.
We have to go together. We have to use the power of
bye bye.
I wish I low-key had your POV right now so my audience wouldn't be bored out of their mind. Why would he scream Bloody Mary?
Oh god.
And Logo, I have to bleep out what you just said.
Leave out what?
You just said
The name.
Timmy's name.
Logo is just saying everyone's name.
Hey, he said red. Which I want to bleep
said
out
red, though.
because
Spawn again.
what did I do, bro?
People
That's
don't-
why she's leaving me. That's why she's the goat.
Help me!
Level.
Help me!
Come on, pumpkin.
Mama, go behind you.
No, we gotta do the mama girl behind you. Right, real quick. Keep working. Guys, click on me. Come on, Timmy. What's your great assault? Hey, let's go.
Guys, where are you?
Let's go, click on. Go stand right there. I gotta go. Mama, go behind you. Hey, mama, go behind you. Mama, go behind you.
Imagine dying.
Logo, I'm putting the amount of times you've died on screen right now. No. Guess who just died again? Guess who just jumped into her? Me. This guy who barely uploads. Let's go.
Notice I had to turn it up to cover the reason why I'm bringing
Trying to not take a picture of
Just so you guys don't know, Logo has lore in his videos, and one of the lores he
Not
does
yet.
Dr. Peppers.
He's
I'll
a
teach your entire career.
The humming is actually making me want to die. I hate it.
And die, Logo.
Oh, say,
Ah!
can't you
Wait, guys, we need a clip for him, guys. Ready? Everyone sing. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Maybe the plans you made refer to. Yeah, I know it's hard to.
Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we
Called enough, but even the sunset's in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Do you know why we're the best YouTubers? Because we suck at the game and we can't even finish it ourselves. You want me to mute the girl audio? No, I need to let my audience suffer. Yeah, I already did that.
Oh, what does it say?
I didn't know. I'm gonna do that for the video. You already told me to do it like 10 times.
Guys, I'm about to upload the most banger shit to my YouTube channel.
Mama, girl behind you.
Mama,
Wait, do you want to do the mama girl behind you thing?
behind you.
Someone stand right there for the meme. Wait,
I'll be the baby. Mama, go behind you.
Mama, go
Why?
Mama, go behind you.
Go behind you.
I just a little bit.
Mama, go behind you. Mama,
Come on,
go
Timmy,
behind you.
for one final thing, let's jump down. So guys,
Okay, guys, for the outro, we need to sing Payphone.
again?
The other time sucked. I'm gonna put
Alright, bet, but we have to start screaming it when we get chased by the girl.
Okay, bet.
Already?
After you show the outro, I'm chugging my Dr. Pepper every last single drop of it.
Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture. You not here next to me, I got caught on the wall. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And all the time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it up. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Baby, it's all wrong. Where have the plans we made? Fuck you. My beef is level 1 people. He's crazy.
The clock! Fire alarm? Ooh.
We have 2 more fire
Yummy
alarms.
water.
I win! Subscribe to Timmy Tutty!
Hey, my thing's self-promoting. You don't get. You're already in the intro and the outro.
Fine. If you want to see epic heaps, then by talking creatures clones.
The epic crossover episode. Timmy Tayyip, what are you doing here?
Hidden Finelli! What are you doing here?
Alright, thank you actually for the video, guys. I'll be paying you 2 lollipops.
Sweet. You know, what about him? He should be. Do you think he deserves his monthly nickel?
Yes, he did good today. You, on the other hand, actually, Logo, you kind of supplied all of the comedy for the video. Because for the outro, like in the little corner right here, I'm gonna put every time you died. Actually, probably not. I'm too lazy to do that. But I'm gonna have a death count, like right here, my death count, and then Timmy's death count, because that's gonna be better than all of us. So after Timmy's done dancing, see you guys in a different video.
What?